Good morning, everybody. A magical encounter will change your life forever. You have so much passion still within you, and you must make the change for yourself. You've been on quite a journey, either physically or mentally, and Spirit's advice for you is to ignore what everyone else is doing and achieving. Your life is about breaking your own limits and outgrowing yourself to live your best life. You are not in competition with anyone else. Plan to outdo your past, not other people. The angel card is 999 and it's about release. The angels are reminding you to release and allow. It is in the release where the magic happens. You've had great worry over nothing, and they say your resilience is one of your strongest qualities you have. It has gotten you through so many trials and tribulations in the past, and it will continue to do so. Lean on your inner tower of strength anytime that you need it. You've got this. You have a new attitude now, and where there was discord among families and friends, they want you to know you must not be tempted to lower your standards. They say when a door doesn't open, don't waste your energy trying to make it open. It's closed for a reason. You are being redirected to something far bigger and better. Endings are part of a cycle of life. They make way for wonderful new beginnings and opportunities. They want you to know, let's see, that the angels are telling you to prepare for the unexpected, and allow change to pass through with a sense of peace. They say that you wouldn't plant a seed and dig it up every few minutes to see if it is grown. So why do you keep questioning yourself, your hard work, and your decisions? Have patience, stop overthinking, and keep watering your seeds. A sincere wish is going to be granted. You do have deep personal strength and peace that assures success. They want you to take care, or there will be a loss of material wealth. You need to know that the most difficult part of a situation is over, and you must think before you judge. Your loved ones want you to trust, and they say the phases that you're going through are positive. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.